In this video, I'm gonna show you how to file KRA returns. Remember, this is the simplest method of filing the returns. The KRA has simplified their website with the simplest way of filing returns. What you have to do is just go to your browser, choose your browser, go to URL or address bar and search for KRA Itax. I'm going to see the list of suggestion there as you type the word KRA returns and choose Itax. It will take you on this page of Itax. In this page you can see that you have to enter or key in your KRA pin, which is user ID. Just enter your KRA pin. As you can see, enter your KRA pin and then click on continue. Click on continue, then enter your password. After entering the password, click on security stamp. You can see we have a bar there where you have to fill in the details. You do the calculations, that is 75 minus 11. After that, just click on login and it will take you to this page, which is a welcome page. Go to return and there you see we have a drop down. On the drop down, just go down to ITR for employment income only. This is a new system and already new link on KRA website where you can be able to file your returns even without your P9 form. Just key in the return period form and just click somewhere outside and the return period 2 will populate itself. Then click yes, do you have employment? Click yes. Then go to section 1, section A, and go to return information. Just click no if your answers are no, and if yes, just click yes and follow the instructions. But for this time, let's go to no. For do you have a life insurance policy? That one is a video for another day. Just click next, and then go to the last page. Then you go to personal relief. The maximum is 25,824 for this year, but you have to check on your P9 form the personal relief that they have written there. As you can see, it has gone to negative, so when you click submit, it will take you to another page. Just enter your bank name. Let's take like M-Pesa. Then select your branch name. You can just enter the M-Pesa. Or the town. Enter your name as account name, and then from there enter account number. In this case, you can enter your mobile number, or for this part you can also enter the bank details. But on my case here, I have to put the M-Pesa details. After entering all the details, just click next, and then go to submit. And you are going to be welcomed by this page where that tells you that you have filed your returns, and now it is telling you download returns. So just click on download returns and print it for your reference. And that is how simple it is to file KRA returns using the new Itax new system. Thank you for watching. I believe that video has helped you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sam Kim, for more videos.